welcome back to my channel. It is Danny, your handy home girl. Creative Danny did it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a $6 upgrade to your bathroom light fixture. That's right, you don't need to be an electrician. You don't need to learn how to uninstall and reinstall electrical things, because we're going to keep that baby right in place and we are going to give them a beautiful makeover. So just keep watching. And I'm going to apologize in advance because I did this light fixture upgrade on 3 different light fixtures in the house, but it is all the same. So just go ahead and pay attention to how it turns out. So of course, any painting project that we do, whether you're spraying, rolling, brushing, or whatever, you definitely want to take a moment to do your prep work. Here you see me using the 4-inch brown paper roll with some painter's tape, and I'm pretty much just securing the perimeter of the light fixture as well as the mirror, although this mirror is going to be getting taken out. Just as a safe practice, I go ahead and make sure I cover everything just to kill all of the overspray that goes on when using spray paint. Next, due to the rust, I am going to be using just an 80 grit sheet of sandpaper, and I'm using it with my hand just to pretty much scrub the surface of the light fixture. I'm scrubbing away. You're not going to see it go all the way, and that is completely okay. Just continue to scrub so you can get a nice abrasive surface for something for the spray paint to adhere to. Make sure that you're paying attention to the circles around where the light bulbs go as well. Listen, your girl loves to save some coins, okay? And I love saving my subby some coins too. So if you guys want to see more quick, easy, and inexpensive upgrades that you can do around your house, make sure you're subscribing to my channel. And do your girl a favor right now, like at this moment, hit the like button. Hit that like button. Make sure you are letting YouTube know that you are feeling it, girls content, because that's the only way this channel is gonna grow. We are steady moving. Every day I see these numbers go up, and that means y'all rocking with your girl, and I love it. Thank you so much. Let's just get back into it. Moving on to the next step, make sure you are wiping your surface completely clean before going on to the spray paint portion. You see that I stuck some tissue inside where the light bulbs get screwed into the light fixture, because I mean, you don't want to ruin that. So you're going to be doing light spray strokes. I use Rust-Oleum spray paint. You can use any color that you want. I'm pretty sure it's going to turn out the bomb. And again, it is only $6. What you don't see on camera is me waiting about 15 to 20 minutes in between coats. You don't want to overspray because that spray paint will drip, and you're going to have to sand that down and repeat the process anyway. So just allow it to dry a little bit before moving on. And I mean, boom, here we go. Is this not luxurious? Does this not look like a light fixture that we ordered straight from Amazon and put up here? Nobody knows, okay? We're talking about high class stuff for the very low price of upgrades. Stop playing. If you have not done so already, make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Here goes a view from the bathroom door with a brand new mirror installed. And I mean, damn, this is a brand new bathroom. If y'all have any questions, drop them down below. If not, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. And if Danny did it, you can do it too.